So guys, this is what we're going to be expecting for the day on our EURGBP. So remember guys, before you take a trade, you need to know your trend. Second, you need to trade with the trend. So this is our EURGBP right here. We are in a downtrend move. It is very clear. You all know the rules of trading. Know your trend, then trade with the trend. Now we've actually established the fact that market is now on a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. Market is trending to the downside. Now we need to trade with the trend, which is we need to go in for the sell. Whatever we would want to be expecting on EURGBP, it is a movement to the downward side. That is what we'll be expecting next. Now let's zoom it in right here. This is double touch, which is a double top, right? It indicates a reversal movement, right? Major reversal zone. Then here comes the low. This is the lower high. Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low right here. It formed a new lower low. Here comes the lower high, right? Market eventually drop again to form a new lower low, and this is the lower high. So with this lower high, we should be expecting market to drop again to it. It's going to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this previous low. So a bearish move for the day is what we should be expecting on EURGBP. Now, if in case there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, in case because there's a possibility that there will be, if in case there's going to be any prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like and share, and also click on the bell notification so that once we drop the updates instantly, you will be notified about the updates.